Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So let's start with the quick introduction. My name is Lakshmi. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the plywood and wooden flush door shutters. This notification is issued by the Ministry of Commerce and Industry on the 29th August 2023, which is going to mandatory from the 28th Feb 2025. After this date, no one Indian manufacturer and importer cannot import and manufacture their product into the Indian market. So let's check which kind of plywood and wooden shutters are covered under this notification. The first one is IS 303 plywood for general purpose, and second one is IS 2202 part 1 for the wooden flush door shutters, and third one is IS 710, that is for the marine plywood, and fourth one is IS 5509, that is for the fire retardant plywood, and fifth one is IS 1328, that is for the one reed decorative plywood, and sixth one is IS 2191 part 2, that is for the wooden flush door shutters, particle board and hardboard face panel, and seventh one is IS 2191 part 1, that is for the wooden flush door shutters, plywood face panels. Next one is IS 2202 part 2, that is for the wooden flush doors, shutters, particle boards, high density fiber boards, medium density fiber boards, and fiber hardboard face panel. And next one is IS 4990, that is for the plywood for concrete shuttering works. And next one is IS 10701, that is for the structural plywood. The certification and enforcement authority is the Bureau of Indian Standards shall be certifying and enforcing authority for the goods and articles specified in this notification. And penalty of contravention is if any person who contravenes the provision of this order shall be punishable under the provision of the Bureau of Indian Standard Act 2016. So let's start with the procedure of the BIS certification and who is eligible for the BIS certification. Only a manufacturer can get the BIS license who have the complete manufacturing facility, have complete lab setup as per the Indian standard. So let's start the procedure of the BIS certification. How to get the BIS license from the BIS authorities. Firstly, we will file the application in the BIS along with the documents, and after filing the BIS application, the BIS has scrutinized the application, and after scrutinize the application, one of the officer will be nominated for the factory audit. Once the BIS officer will be visit on the manufacturing unit, they will check all the testing parameters according to the Indian standard, and after that they will seal some sample and send to the Indian laboratory for the final approval, and on the behalf of the final test report they will grant the license. For the more information, please feel free to contact JR Compliance on the below details. Thank you.
JR Compliance.